Hey guys, it's Thursday, April the 13th. I hope everybody's doing good. Hopefully, you've made some money so far this week. We're going to go over the currencies. This is the pound dollar 4 hour. It's made a move up, trying to make a sell signal, but it's still there's about 25 minutes though before that candle ends, so anything could change on that. The 1 hour, saying it's in sell mode. If you wanted to get in here, there's your stop. If it just touches that high, it's wrong. You got to get out. It just touches it. If you wanted a low risk sell, you could get in here right now in the 1 hour. Excuse me. That's the pound dollar. The Aussie dollars. It has made a 1 hour sell signal. If you wanted to get in, low risk trade, that's your stop. If it just touches that high, you got to get out. So it's a low risk trade. 4 hour, probably not made a signal yet. It hasn't, but it's coming up into the previous sell zone. If you did want it, then you could be able to get that. A sell, low risk, on the Aussie dollar. Euro CAD. In sell mode, you had a little bit of an opportunity there, not much. It's trying to push back up. The 4 hour doesn't have a sell yet, so there might not be anything to do on the Euro CAD, even though it has sold off there. The Euro Aussie, you didn't really get a chance to get in. This sold off big and it's kept selling off. If you did happen to get in that trade, take profit, half of it, a third, quarter, whatever you want to do, but take some off now and then move your stop to where you're going to get money on it, the rest of it, what you got left in your position. See if the 4 hour had anything. Not really. Kind of ran away there. I'd like to see a push up into here to be able to actually be able to sell, make it a low risk trade. That would have been too big a risk on the 4 hour for me. Been a wide stop. So that's the Euro Aussie dollar. CAD yen again made a big sell. It's retraced most of that down move on the 1 hour. The 4 hour is in sell mode. So if it pushes up a little bit more, then you may want to do a low risk trade on the 4 hour on the CAD yen. Yeah, that just ran away, big old down candle. You really didn't have, if you was lucky enough to get into that, hopefully you've taken half of your profit already and then move your stop to break even. Odd yen made a move up, made a sell signal on the 1 hour. If you were able to get into that, hopefully you've taken half your profit and moved your stop because it's made the push up. Odd yen, and it may not be done. It could continue to go up into here, even higher possibility on the odd yen. So if you did take that odd yen sell on the 1 hour, protect your profit, protect it. Pound odd 4 hour made a sell. You had a couple opportunities to get in. You take half your profit. Hopefully you've done that already. Move your stops to the tops of these wicks, to the very top of them on the pound Aussie, because you had several opportunities to get in it after the signal showed up. And now on the 1 hour it's trying to show a buy, so there's a potential retracement coming up. So just protect your profit if you're short in that pound Aussie. Protect your profit, that's the name of the game. Manage your money. Pound CAD. 4 hour, kind of gone a little sideways. 1 hour, it's pushed down here to a buy. That reminds me, I was wanting to go ahead and buy that one, make it a low risk trade. Pound CAD long. Hopefully this is going to push up. That's on the 1 hour. There's where the stop is right there. If it takes that out, it's going lower. Which it could, because the 4 hours in the down candle. That candle's got 20 more minutes before it's done. It's the pound CAD. Pound yen. If you got in right in here, either of these two candle wicks on the 1 hour, hopefully you've taken half of your profit, because it's retracing some of that move up. And lock that in. The 4 hour just made a sell candles. That looks like that's got to come back up into here and retrace that before it sells off. Make it a low risk trade. That's too wide a stop for me. I wouldn't have taken that. Too wide a stop. So I'd rather have it come up back up into here for the low risk sell on the pound yen. Euro New Zealand, if you were able to get in the sell mode in the 1 hour, lock in your profit, take half off, move your stop loss. 4 hour, same thing. You have one, maybe two opportunities to get in short. That's your stop. This stop's not at this candle. The stop is at that candle, the high. If it just touches it, you got to get out. It's wrong. It's probably going higher. It's trying to push down now. So you guys that are in it short, hopefully you've took half off or whatever you want to do, a third, quarter. I've done this long enough. I know to take half off at anywhere between 60 and 80 pips and let the rest do what it's going to do. Then I've locked in some money. I can start looking for other trades, and I know where I've got my stop on that one. Just let it go, see what happens. Keep moving my stop hopefully as the days go on the Euro New Zealand. Pound New Zealand's probably the same thing. Yep, you had three opportunities to get in short. If you've not taken profit, take some right now. Take it right now, half, third, quarter, whatever you want to do, and move your stop to the top of that candle right there. That's on the 1 hour. 4 hour, you may have a better opportunity to move your stop. Not yet. That's probably still where it needs to be, is the top of that candle. If it makes another down candle, then I would move it down to this one. Lock in profit on that. That's on the pound New Zealand. New Zealand yen is making a push up on the 4 hour. The 1 hour is trying to make a sell. It's got 17 more minutes, so that might not do anything. Like I said, the 4 hour is still showing a push up. So be careful on that. On the New Zealand yen. And last but not least, the Euro yen. You had two opportunities on the 1 hour to short it. You should have profit in there. Move your stop to the high of these two candles. If it just touches it, not close above it or anything, just touches it, then it's wrong. But you've already took half your profit, so you've made money on the trade. That's the main thing. 1 hour, the 4 hour, what does it say? It has just made a 4 hour candle. So, and it hadn't made enough of a push up, so there could be a little bit more upside coming. So if you're short on your end, be careful. Protect your profit on that. I don't trade the euro dollar, USD Swiss, the USD yen. They're too crazy. They're not real consistent, and all of them are tied to the dollar. So there may be something to that. But I just learned over time not to mess with them, because most of those were my losers, not winners. Anytime I traded those, so I'd done away with them. Well, I hope you guys have made money. If you enjoy the information I'm providing, hopefully you're making money with it. That's the main thing. Giving you ideas, helping you to be a better trader. Please hit the like button and subscribe. All that does for me is just lets me know I'm helping somebody and somebody likes my information, which I hope is the case. I'm going to try to do a video tomorrow. I hope. I usually don't trade on Fridays because typically that's a losing. I back tested for me all of my trades for 10 years, several years ago. I think it was 2017, 2018. And Fridays were 72% losers. I didn't make any money. I lost money trading on Fridays, so I quit doing that. So now I'm more profitable without having to do that trade. I just kind of look and see if there's anything, a potential trade set up to get in, or a position that I'm in to get out of on Fridays, but that's about it. Well, I hope you guys are learning and making money, and I plan on seeing y'all hopefully tomorrow with another video.